Hey there. I recently came across an interesting topic related to environmental conservation in Tunisia. Did you know that Tunisia has several Ramsar sites? These are wetlands of international importance designated under the Ramsar Convention. It's fascinating how these sites play a crucial role in biodiversity and ecosystem preservation.
Oh, absolutely. I've heard about Ramsar sites, but I didn't know Tunisia had so many. How many Ramsar sites does Tunisia have, and could you tell me more about some of them?
Tunisia currently has 10 Ramsar sites. One of the notable ones is Ichkeul Lake, which is located in the northern part of the country. Ichkeul Lake and its surrounding wetlands are vital for migratory birds, especially flamingos, and provide essential breeding and resting grounds for them. The lake is also home to a diverse range of aquatic plants and animals, making it a significant site for conservation efforts.
That's incredible. It's impressive how these wetlands support such diverse ecosystems. I'm curious, are there any other Ramsar sites in Tunisia that stand out in terms of their ecological importance or unique features?
Yes, another noteworthy Ramsar site in Tunisia is the Gulf of Gabès. This site is located in the eastern part of the country and includes diverse habitats such as grass beds, mudflats, and sandbanks. The Gulf of Gabès is crucial for several marine species, including endangered loggerhead sea turtles and various migratory birds. The site's rich biodiversity and ecological significance highlight the importance of preserving it for future generations.
It's amazing how these wetlands support both terrestrial and aquatic life. I'm curious about the conservation efforts in place to protect these Ramsar sites. Are there any specific initiatives or projects aimed at preserving these invaluable ecosystems in Tunisia?
Absolutely. There are several conservation initiatives and projects focused on preserving Tunisia's Ramsar sites. One of the key efforts is habitat restoration. Conservationists and environmental organizations work tirelessly to restore degraded wetlands, allowing native vegetation to flourish and creating suitable habitats for wildlife. Additionally, there are programs aimed at raising awareness among local communities about the importance of these sites and the need for their protection. These initiatives often involve educational campaigns, community engagement, and sustainable resource management practices.
That's fantastic to hear. Community involvement is crucial in ensuring the long-term conservation of these sites. I'm also curious about the economic aspects. Are there any economic benefits associated with these Ramsar sites in Tunisia, such as tourism or sustainable resource utilization?
Definitely, Ramsar sites in Tunisia contribute significantly to the local economies. Tourism is one of the key economic benefits associated with these sites. Birdwatching, ecotourism, and nature-based activities attract visitors from around the world, generating revenue for local communities and supporting small businesses. Additionally, some Ramsar sites provide resources like fish and reeds, which are sustainably harvested, providing livelihoods for local residents. By promoting sustainable tourism and responsible resource utilization, these sites not only preserve biodiversity, but also enhance the economic well-being of the communities surrounding them.
It's great to hear that these sites can have positive economic impacts while also promoting environmental conservation. I'm curious, are there any challenges faced in the conservation of Ramsar sites in Tunisia? And how are these challenges being addressed by local authorities and conservation organizations?
Yes, there are several challenges faced in the conservation of Ramsar sites in Tunisia. One of the significant challenges is habitat degradation due to pollution, invasive species, and climate change. Rising sea levels and changes in precipitation patterns can impact the delicate balance of these ecosystems. Additionally, unsustainable agricultural practices and urban development pose threats to the wetlands. To address these challenges, local authorities and conservation organizations collaborate on various initiatives. They implement strict regulations to prevent pollution and enforce sustainable land use planning. Conservationists also work on removing invasive species and restoring degraded habitats. Climate change adaptation strategies are being developed to mitigate the impacts of changing environmental conditions. Moreover, international collaborations and partnerships with organizations like the Ramsar Secretariat further support the conservation efforts in Tunisia.
It's reassuring to know that efforts are being made to tackle these challenges and preserve these invaluable ecosystems. I'm curious about the future outlook. Are there any upcoming projects or plans in Tunisia related to Ramsar sites? How do you think these sites will evolve in the coming years?
Indeed, there are several upcoming projects and plans related to Ramsar sites in Tunisia. Conservation organizations and government agencies are focusing on expanding research initiatives to better understand the ecosystems and the species that inhabit these wetlands. Research findings will inform conservation strategies and help in making informed decisions about sustainable resource management. Furthermore, there are plans to enhance ecotourism opportunities, providing visitors with immersive experiences while promoting environmental awareness. Additionally, there are ongoing efforts to strengthen international collaborations, allowing Tunisia to benefit from the expertise and support of the global conservation community. In the coming years, I believe these Ramsar sites will continue to evolve as hubs of biodiversity and ecological richness. With dedicated conservation efforts, sustainable practices, and active community engagement, these sites will thrive, serving as a testament to the importance of international collaboration and environmental stewardship.
That sounds incredibly promising. It's inspiring to see the dedication and collaboration aimed at preserving these natural treasures. Thank you for sharing this insightful information about Ramsar sites in Tunisia. It's been a fascinating discussion, and I'm hopeful that these efforts will lead to a bright and sustainable future for these vital ecosystems.
You're welcome! I'm glad you found the discussion interesting. Indeed, the conservation of Ramsar sites in Tunisia is a testament to the collective commitment to environmental preservation. With continued dedication and awareness, these sites will not only flourish, but also inspire similar efforts worldwide. If you have any more questions or want to learn about other environmental topics, feel free to ask. Let's keep spreading the knowledge and awareness for a greener, more sustainable planet.